How to charge sales tax on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to charge your customers the taxes that are going to be on their purchases. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you head over to squarespace.com, sign in for your account, and after that, you're going to see the dashboard of your websites. So once you are here, you're going to select one of the website that you have. Do not forget to add the store or the commerce section to your website after you are going to click on create, choose a template, and then you are going to add that you are going to sell online. So we are going to head over to the website, as you can see, and in just a few seconds it will be showing up the website. So as you can see here, we have a shop section. If you want to visit it, you're going to see here the products that you have. Make sure that you have some products into your store, so we are going to get these example as samples. So this doesn't matter, you can go ahead and click on product and services to control your shop right there by adding the product, connecting a payment processor or method, add a fulfillment method, and etc. Now we are going to head over the most important part, which is going to set up the taxes. So we are going to click on the gear icon, which is the settings. And from here, we are going to see all the elements or the items for this menu. So obviously we are going to get the finance right there item, which is going to be represented within the selling. Click on selling, and here we are going to see the business information, payments, customer accounts, and etc. You're going to see here some cases called taxes. Set up tax rates for your store. So you are going to click on this, and then you're going to see or set how the tax is going to be added. Either it is going to be included in the price, and this is the best way to do that, or add it into checkout. So I'm going to include it in the price, and then I'm going to add the rate. For example, here, we're going to choose the United States, and then you're going to select the state, for example, like New York or something like that. Here it doesn't, it has to be like that, but it is going to be here like this. I'm going to add 19, for example, percent. Charge on shipping, do not here, usually they don't take charges on the shipping. Add zip code or rates, so we are going to click on here, and this is how we have added the rate. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.